Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well today. I'm here with another new video in which I will explain about the ear speaker problem in your Mi 12 and 12 Pro. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward today's video. In this video, I will tell you about if your ear speaker is showing any problem or your calling speaker is showing any problem. You can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand and solve your ear speaker problem.